This home is in a gated community of only 11 homes. And as you can see, it is absolutely breathtaking. You're never going to look for a space to put your hat, purse, or shoes again. With a fireplace and your luxury closet. This is the first floor master bedroom. You have a dual closet with plenty of space, large jacuzzi tub, bathroom and bidet, large shower, and urinal. Something a little bit different here is our 2-story sauna room with jacuzzi. That is a very tall ceiling. This home boasts a giant living room. Beautiful dining room. And the brightest kitchen I've ever been in. Dual refrigerators and more marble. There's an enclosed patio going out to the pool and the guest house. The guest house has a 2-car garage as well as a kitchen. The main house has a very large 3-car garage with high ceilings. Very interesting Jack and Jill bathroom. Very large closet space. Wow. Into the library or the hat storage. And another Jack and Jill style bathroom. Upstairs patio overlooking the pool. have a wet bar by the pool in the guest house. The fireplace, large closet, with a pool bathroom, and the guest house has a 2-car garage. If you would like to inquire more about this beautiful, masterful home for $1.7 million, you can reach me at 727-722-8922, or you can email me at jasonknowsflorida@gmail.com.